Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. Actually, these are items that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and the majority of the items, or maybe all of the items, are Valentine's Day related. So let's get started. I first picked up this really nice container. These are new to my Dollar Tree, and they have a nice little lid and the lock handle here. And it's just really pretty good quality. You know, you can put your stuff in and carry it around. So I was excited to get that. So let's open it up because I'm gonna put my Valentine's items in here. So then they had these stickers, and this first one says "Be Mine." It has a little bee. Love stinks, which is kind of hilarious. And then there's some on the back. And then I got a couple of those. And then this one here with the cute little ladybugs and a bee and the ice cream cone. Super cute. I got two of those. And then they had these really cute little kind of like gumball, I guess, dispensers, and they do turn, but the hole is really little, so I'm not sure what you could put in there, but they come apart pretty easily. And I got the pink one, and you guys seen these on here on YouTube, and I got the little red one, so I got those. And then they had this really pretty trim, they're calling it ribbon lace, and I wanted to open it up and show you guys. There you go. That's really pretty design. That's that one. And then it's another design that I picked up. I can't see where this one begins and ends. Oh well. I thought I'd show you this one too, but I should have been more prepared, but that's that design. And then they had these really cute felt hearts in pink. And then some more stickers. I went to another Dollar Tree, and they had these purple ones. And then the lips, pretty cute. And then I picked up some coasters. I probably won't be using these as coasters, but you get a 4 count of coasters. And then these felt flowers. I thought these are really pretty with the leaves on the back. And then they had these really adorable sequins. Let's open these up. Take a look. These sequined, I think they're all the unicorns. How cute is that? Look at that. And then the silver and gold, and then the pink. And then they have puffy hearts, cute sequence. And they have these wooden sticks. I don't know why I bought these. I think these, I looked at them and I put them in my cart by mistake, but they're cute. The little wooden heart is really cute on there. And then I found these cute little table scatter. What got me was the orange fox. So yeah, you don't see a orange fox often, but I thought these were cute. And then I had picked up these fortune cookies. These are something I had never seen at Dollar Tree, and it's 10 fortune cookies. And they do have a fortune in them, I believe. It says lots of hugs or something like that, but you can change this and put your own fortune in there. I thought those were cute. And then they had the Pom-Pom Garland. I didn't pick up any at Christmas time. I saw it and I didn't pick it up. So this time I thought, all right, I'll get this really pretty pink Pom-Pom Garland. And it looks pretty nice. Yeah. That's the pink. And then I also picked up the red. This is a really pretty red. So I like that. I've been searching for these Crayola boxes forever. And sometimes I guess I forgot about them, and then I saw them and I just had to pick up a couple. So I picked up the blue and the pink, or turquoise and the pink. And then I picked up this, it says it's a tablet stand. It's not very sturdy, but I thought this would be perfect for my desk at work to put my planner on, to get it out of the way unless I'm using it, and it could still stand up and kind of look pretty on my desk. So that is what I got from Dollar Tree. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.